Welcome to Fluency Lab, the home of smart English learning.
Let me guess. You understand English of words, but when it's time to speak, you freeze.
Your mind goes blank. You feel nervous, and suddenly, you can't say
Why? Today, we're gonna break this problem completely. No motivation talk, just the truth.
This is exactly me. I understand English, but I can't speak.
You're not alone. Millions of people have the same problem.
What do you mean?
Let me ask you, how do you usually learn English?
I watch videos, listen, sometimes read.
Exactly. That's input. Listening means reading. Output means speaking and writing.
So
Stand but can't speak.
that makes sense.
Think about it like this. Watching football doesn't make you a player. You have to play.
So watching English is not enough?
Not even close.
But sometimes I try to speak and perfect sentences.
That's the problem. You are trying to be perfect instead of being clear.
So I should stop trying to be perfect?
Exactly. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is communication.
I'm also afraid of.
Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy.
That's deep.
If you don't make mistakes, you don't improve. Simple.
But I don't have any.
Talk to yourself every day.
That feels weird.
Feeling weird is better than staying stuck. This is my room. This is my phone. Talk about your day. I woke up. I studied. I watched. Ask yourself questions.
Yes, simple works.
Learn 10 to 15 new words. Make sentences. Speak them out loud. Repeat daily. 20 to 30 minutes is enough.
That's manageable. So the truth is, I wasn't practicing speaking.
You don't need more time. You don't need more videos. You need action. Speak more. Fear less. Practice daily. Even and your English journey starts today.